The CNews team, reporter Charlene Lewis and cameraman Joel Phillip took to the sky in a National Operations Center helicopter to get a bird's-eye view of the raging fire. The NOC's director told CNews he believes that the fire is indeed a threat to Port of Spain and environs, and he said all first responders are collaborating to see how soon they can contain the fire.
The fire, which started at the Beetham Landfill on Wednesday afternoon, sending billows of smoke in a southwesterly direction. NOC Director Garvin Heerah says the fire is a major threat. He also says it's possible the fire could have been deliberately started. Commander Heerah, along with members of the NOC, did an aerial tour to assess the severity of the fire.
We have initiated a response through the Samoa Regional Corporation, the Swim Call Emergency Management Unit, and the Trinidad and Tobago Fire Services. We have not dismissed the fact of seeking approval from the Chief of Defence Staff to engage the engineering battalion because of the methods that will have to be used to address and to extinguish this fire.
The NOC commander adds the ODPM, EMA and other first responders are already working towards containing the fire.
Well, the Office of Disaster Preparedness Management and the Environmental Management, they have already been informed, and they are going to be conducting tests as to the air quality and to the risk and threat analysis with regards to the city and to the business sector. I am not able to say at this time what will determine that. But
Charlene Lewis, CNews.
The Environmental Management Authority, meanwhile, says it's mobilized teams to monitor air quality in Laventille, Sealots and the Beetham. It said earlier surveillance of the area suggests that the smoke, coupled with the fluctuating wind direction, is impacting Sealots and Beetham areas, and it will continue to provide support to Swim Call and the fire service, who are the primary responders. The authority further stated in a release that the issue of public health is of grave concern to the authority. The fine particulates less than 2.5 micrometers can get into the deep tissues in the respiratory system, which could cause asthma or asthma-type conditions. The most vulnerable will be the elderly and children. In this regard, the EMA notes that it has notified the Northwest Regional Health Authority and public health officials, and they're making the necessary arrangements. It urges people who might be in affected areas to take the necessary precautions. The Environmental Management Authority says it will continue conducting regular air quality monitoring tests and will issue further statements as the need arises and advise the public accordingly. It says approximately 25% of the landfill is engulfed in fire.